welcome ChamiViews. This is our sixth video of our Golang REST API series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the query parameters. In the previous video, we have discussed about the path parameters. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that because today's topic is highly depend on that video. Okay. First, I will go to my IDE and then go to this main file. In here, we have created this items handler, right? In this items handler, we have created two requests, get and the post. In here, using this method, we can get all the items in our system, right? Okay. First, I will run this server and get the post one. I will create a new HTTP request, http://localhost port is 8080, then items, right? We have discussed this already, right? If we send this call, it calls to the this endpoint, right? And it tries to get all the items that in the system. But today we are going to discuss about the get item only by ID, right? How we can do that? In the previous video, we have discussed about this one, right? Using the path parameters, you know already how we can get that. But today we are going to discuss about the query parameters. First, we discussed about how we can create the query parameters, right? In here, in the param section, we can add the parameters, like in this way, right? In here, we want to provide the ID, like in this way, ID, and then value. If we want, we can add the description as well. Okay, then I am sending this one, but we are not get any output, right? What is the reason for that? Because it will call to this, right? But we are not extract the ID from the request, right? We can request that. I am creating variable called item str, right? Then using the request, we can get the ID, right? Using this r.url. Then we can get the query, and then using the get method, we can get the ID, right? We won't provide the ID. This is the key that we provided in here. Okay. And then I will print this one, fmt.printf, right? ID percentages. Then we can print this one. And then I will add the new line as well. Then I will rerun it. Okay. Now we can send this call. What is the output now? ID is 1, right? If we want to get all the items, we can simply remove this query parameter and then we can send this. Then ID is empty, right? Then we can check this, right? If ID str equal empty, then we can call to this, right? It means we want to get items, and then I will add this one as well. If the ID exists, right, we want to convert ID to integer, like in this way, right? And then we can take this, right? We already have discussed all the things in here, right? We can use same logic here, right? Like this. To do that one, I will separate this line of code to separate function. Func get item by ID common, right? We want to pass the ID string, type is string, right? Then we can paste this thing. Okay, in here we want response writer as well. I am passing this one here. Yeah, then we want item controller as well. Okay, now it's fine. Then we can call to this, right? Get item by ID command. We can pass this ID string, right? And then we want to pass response writer tablet. Okay. In here also, we want to call to this method, right? Get item by ID command. Then we have ID string and the response writer. I'm not going to explain these things because in the previous video we already have discussed those things, right? Okay. Then I will run this code and then call to this method, right? In the query parameters, it says item not found. Why is that happening? Because we haven't added any item like that, right? Okay, to add the item, I will add the post request as well. Post is the base URL and then slash items, right? In here we want to pass the body like in JSON format, right? Name, we can add any name, item, right? If we are sending this, it has automatically created this item, right? And then if we want to get the item by ID, we can use this one, right? If we want to get all the items, we can call to this, right? If we want to get items by using the path parameters, we can send it like this, using the item, that's one, right? Then we can get that item as well, right? Hope you got a clear understanding about the query parameters, right? In this video, what I want to highlight is that only this part, right? How we can extract the ID from the query parameter, right? Only this part, right? Others we have discussed, right? Hope you got a clear understanding about how we can extract the path parameters and how we can extract the query parameters, right? Hope you got a clear understanding about those things, right? If you have any kind of questions, please put those things in the comment section, then I can help you to understand those things. Okay, if you have learned new things, please share these things with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.